the football teams, the Braves season was cut short, but they're ready for a comeback this season.
I'm looking forward to us all coming together, being a strong team, being like one, like, you know, like a force, like all of us just coming together. People understanding each other, us being strong, winning some games, all on the same page.
I'm looking forward to the games, of course. I want to see how our juniors get after it. I want to see how our team gets after it. The chemistry in practice is real good, so I'm real excited to see how it carries over into the games.
The guys have a lot to look forward to this year and are really excited.
My expectations are us winning some games, us like being more disciplined, actually trying to make it somewhere like one step at a time, actually trying to do good this year. We got a lot of hard-hitting juniors, and you know they're gonna hit the ground running because it's a lot of good energy. Like we didn't have that last year.
It's going to be a lot different because we actually have all 9 games, and on top of that, I think it's going to be different because our guys really like to hit. That's just like, that's all I can say. Our new juniors, they really like to get after it. And on top of our seniors after that, we got something good in store for our season.
There are a lot of good and key players to look out for this year.
Some of the key players, it would be DeMarco Mason. He's a DN. Me, I'm the 3-back. Breon, he's one of our 2-backs. Dion, he's a 4-back. Our quarterback, Ryan Ahern. We got a lot of moving bits. There's a lot of people. I could go on and almost list the whole team.
Good luck this season. For Bravescast, I'm Aiesha Allen.
And I'm Aaliyah Pittman.
Reporting.